In this video, we are going to talk about the components of taxonomy. Taxonomy, as you all know, it is the branch of biology that deals with the classification and naming of living organisms. So there are four basic components of taxonomy that include identification, characterization, classification, and naming. So first of all, identification. Identification of organisms is basically performed up to the species level, and it is the most important and first component of taxonomy. Different taxonomic characteristics are used for the identification of specimens, and that the morphological identification is then confirmed by using the DNA barcoding. So for morphological identification, different taxonomic keys and field guides are also used. Next is characterization. The specimens are identified and characterized. The key diagnostic characteristics are determined, and the key diagnostic characteristics can include morphological, behavioral, geographical, ecological, and physiological characteristics that are helpful in identifying the species. Next is classification. After identification and the identification of taxonomic characteristics, then the specimens are classified in a different taxa according to these taxonomic characteristics. So first of all, that is kingdom, and then next phylum, class, order, families, genus, and species. So the species are these taxa are allotted to the specimens that you have collected. Next is naming. Naming is the science of naming is also known as nomenclature, and the name of the species is unique and it must meet the requirements of the nomenclature or the rules that are described in the ICGN, that is the International Code for Zoological Nomenclature.